Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Chrysler 200C, stock number B9227P. 28,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Billet Silver Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The 200 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, leather interior, split seat back, folds down for additional cargo space. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 200C has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, upgraded Alpine sound system, powered driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's the largest in its class for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Dual zone temperature control. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto-dimming mirror and home-link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 65% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9227P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.